In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your Google Calendar. Whether you're planning your week, month, or just want a handy schedule, having a printed calendar can be incredibly convenient. Let's dive into how you can easily make this happen right from your computer. First things first, you'll want to open Google Calendar on your computer. Simply head over to your web browser and log into your Google account if you aren't already. Once you're in Google Calendar, it's time to decide which view or date range you want to print. You have several options here: day, week, month, schedule, or the customized 4 days view. Consider what best suits your needs. If you've got a packed week, maybe the week view is perfect. But if you're mapping out a broader plan, a monthly calendar might be what you need. Take a moment to choose the view that will give you the clearest picture of your schedule. Now that you've settled on a view, look to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Print. This will take you to the Print Preview page, a vital step in customizing how your calendar will appear on paper or digitally. On the Print Preview page, you have several settings to adjust, so let's walk through those. Firstly, decide on the orientation: portrait or landscape. Portrait is great for a standard page look, while landscape might work better if you have more events listed horizontally. Next, think about the font size. If you want everything to be clearly readable, perhaps increase it slightly. Conversely, if you need to fit more on a page, a smaller font might be necessary. Another important option is whether you want to show weekends on the calendar. If your weekends are as busy as your weekdays, ensure they're visible. Conversely, for a strictly business schedule, you might choose to exclude them. Also, consider if you want to include event details and guest responses. This can be particularly useful for meetings where you need visibility on who's attending, and any extra details like locations or notes. With your preferences set, it's time to choose your printer. In the printer options, you can select the physical printer connected to your computer. However, if you prefer a digital format, or perhaps want to share it easily via email, selecting Save as PDF is a great choice. This creates a file that you can open, view, and send from any device. When all your settings look good and you're satisfied with the preview, it's time to finalize the process. Click Print if you're going with a paper copy, or Save if you opted for the PDF version. And there you go! You've successfully printed or saved your Google Calendar, creating a convenient paper trail of your schedule. Whether it's for planning, sharing, or just keeping track, these steps ensure you have a tangible copy of your commitments anytime you need it.